Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Now for the last 16 episodes of Diecast unboxings, it was all been the new NASCAR Next Gens. But now we're going to switch it up a little. Here we have, from the movie Disney Pixar Cars, we have the number 82 shiny wax car of Darren Leadfoot, the Cars 1 version of him. And on the back, you get other cars like the Christmas version of Lightning McQueen and the number 28 Nitro Aid car. Let's get Darren Leadfoot out of the box. So here is Darren Leadfoot. So here is Darren Leadfoot of the Cars 1 version, and this is him of the Cars 3 version. So I don't know what happened in between from the movies Cars 1 and Cars 3, and I'm not sure how the Cars world works with new bodies. So here's the comparison difference. Obviously, this is the old logo compared to this logo that he has for the Cars 1 movie. The number 82 font is a little different. You know, obviously it is a little bigger, and this one is a little bit smaller. The shiny wax logo is a new look, obviously on the back too. Obviously his bag is a lot bigger compared to this one. And obviously the color too. His is more, the Cars 1 version is a lot lighter with lighter green and yellow. Obviously the little circles around the yellow circle lines, obviously a little bit of this kind of green, whereas his colors are a little bit more darker and obviously a very dark shade of green right here. Now let's take a look at the Cars 1 version of Darren Leadfoot. Obviously he has the same black tires, a smaller body compared to the Cars 1 version, and a lot more rounder too. On the front, the 82 is a little bit slanted on the top of his hood. The shiny wax logo. And also a very tiny shiny wax logo right here where the number 82 is. I mean, sorry if I'm going back and forth. I just really wanted to show a comparison. Obviously, he has those two yellow lines, which he doesn't. He doesn't. A smaller shiny wax logo with a bit of, I think, teal green, I think. A different facial expression compared to him, to the Cars 1 version. I mean, the Cars 3 version, sorry, both of them are the same characters until they get replaced by the 82 next-gen car of, I think it was Conrad Camber, I think. Yeah. Anyway, here's a 360 view of Darren Leadfoot. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.